Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to CRTV. I'm here with my man Extreme Danger Aaron. We got ourselves a number 5 extreme version Razor dirt bike. This thing goes 0 to 60 in I don't know how much. We'll say like 8 seconds, something like that. 4 seconds, 2 seconds. Give it a spin, Aaron. Oh! Yo, wait up for me, man. Let's go.
Oh! This is gonna be insane.
This is gonna be sick. Or dope. I hope someone looks, because they don't know what the fuck is even going on right now. Yeah, you ready, Aaron? You're gonna hit some sick jumps. Look at this cape, so you can be more aerodynamic.
Flapping in the air.
Oh shit. We arrived, number 1, first floor. Oh shit. Oh shit. Aaron, you're too extreme for us right now. Alright, we're going outside.
He's out.
Oh, he's too
out.
extreme. He's too extreme right now. So extreme, just so extreme. All right,
You ready?
Where
Where are you gonna hold on to?
I guess this.
3, 2, 1. Oh, you gotta get the momentum. There you go, you got it.
Why are we going right?
Oh! Oh!
Aaron, let's go right.
Aaron, where are you going? Aaron, where are you going? Oh man.
Wipe out.
That was radical, dude.
I'm doing some extreme shit out here.
No, you got it. You got it.
You ready?
Faster, faster. Oh shit! Oh! Are you alright?
Yeah. That was a sick wipeout.
Oh man.
You know what they say, if you ain't bleeding, you ain't winning.
Alright, go, 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 go. Oh fuck! Oh wait. Aaron, come back. It's not a good sign. You can do it.
Shit. Holy fuck. Holy shit. This guy's being an asshole just making turns like. You know what they say? If you ain't bleeding,
Oh
you
my
ain't
God.
you ain't doing.
Is that
You ain't
real?
doing out here. What do you mean? Is that
That's
real?
real blood right there.
Yeah, I got
Holy
pretty fucked
shit.
up.
It's fucking extreme. We don't mess around out here.
We don't mess around out here.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Whoa!
Aaron, does that thing go off-road? Does that thing go off-road?
We always try it in the field.
Yeah.
Go, let's go to the field. Oh man.
You're
It's
right.
died. Oh man. Go Aaron, go!
Yeah, I don't think it's working out too well.
He's not going too far.
Yeah, he's not really going anywhere.
What happened?
It doesn't work. There's not enough traction out there, you know? It's all that mud from the rain. Thing's just not going anywhere. We're gonna go inside and we do some
Test it
laps.
out in there.
Yeah. Joe.
Take it in, take it in.
We gotta go in.
Hurry, it's starting. Oh, shit.
Wipe out. We gotta wipe out.
Oh, shit. Are you alright? Hurry, get up.
Oh,
It's trapped me. Oh, it's hail.
on me.
Come on.
Hurry, get in.
Get up, buddy.
Go, 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 go.
This is too extreme right now. This thing needs bigger tires, honestly. Not enough extremeness under the hood.
That was pretty extreme though, in the rain, the pouring rain, thunder, lightning. Is he?
Check out our extremeness.
Go, 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 go! Ready, go! Watch out! Oh! Wheelie! Oh!
The fuck is that?
Wow! Dan, do you think I can do it backwards?
Yeah. Yeah, you can do it backwards.
I can't see though.
Watch out, Night King.
Yes. The Royal
King!
Chariot.
King! The Royal Chariot! The Royal Chariot awaits you!
This doesn't look like it's like the cape.
Whoa!
The cape is almost tangled in there, but not quite. Oh, now you're it's definitely tangled in there. King, you're gonna have to reverse, King.
Oh shit! King!
Night King, you're gonna have to reverse.
Motor Jester, come here! We need your help! it's fucking caught on the
Ah, the king in the trash, where he was meant to belong.
Help you peasants.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Jester.
Took his sunglasses, Jester.
Jester.
And now you need to do that. So you got the double the shade. Don't go down the stairs.
Go, Dan!
It's struggling. It's struggling.
Oh,
Well.
man.
I don't know what happened out there, but my cape got stuck under this wheel, and Joe fell down the stairs. So this has turned really dangerous real quick. Guess it's all
Oh,
part of
man.
being extreme.
That was pretty extreme!